Okay, this is a second video of finding an equation from a graph. Just a really quick one here. We've been through it once quite slowly, so this time we're going to move through it quite quickly. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is decide whether this is going to be a sine curve or a cosine curve. Looking at it, I've really got two options. Either it starts up here and moves down, or it starts here, moves up, and comes back to its starting position. I'm going to choose for it to start here, and if it starts from there and starts moving up, that means that it's a sine curve. So straight away, I know that this equation is going to be y equals a sine b x plus c plus d. Now all I need to do is find my four letters, a, b, c, and d, put them all into there, and I should get an equation. Okay, easiest one to start with, I think, is usually d, to figure out how far it's shifted. We can see that it has a max of 1, a minimum of -5, and between those 2 points, in the exact center of those 2 points, is going to be our mean, our middle line. Okay, so 1, -5, add those two together, I get -4, divide that by 2, I get -2. That means that my median here is -2, and that's my d value. Sorry, -2. So a sine b, x plus c, minus 2. Next thing here is to look at our amplitude. That's the difference from the middle to the top, or from the middle to the bottom. Boom, boom. We can see that that distance is 1, 2, 3, 3 units. So y equals 3 sine b x plus c minus 2. Okay, now bear in mind this is a sine curve, so it needs to start from there and move upwards from there. Okay, so we can see that it starts from here. Now normally sine functions start from here. The fact that it's starting from here tells us that there's been some sort of phase shift. The phase shift, -1, -2, we can see that the phase shift, it's moved 2 this way. Now remember, the c does the opposite of what you'd expect, so if it's moved 2 to the negative, it means that our c value is 2. So y equals 3 sine b x plus 2, that's our c value, minus 2. Finally, we need to find out b value. Remember, you're going to need a formula for that. Period equals 2 pi on b. You need to find out what your period is. It's the time it takes for this thing to repeat. So it goes from here, up, all the way down, and then back to its starting position. We can see that it takes from here, -2 to 0, and then from here, 0 to 18. It takes 18 plus 2 to repeat. The period of this whole thing must be 18 plus 2, which is 20. So 20 equals 2 pi on b. Okay, rearrange this so b is the subject. b equals 2 pi on 20. You simplify that and you'll get b equals pi on 10. Okay, so we have a b value here of pi on 10. Y equals 3 sine pi on 10 x plus 2 minus 2. Okay, there you have it. Again, a very systematic approach. Find the d value, find the a value, find the c value, find the period and put it into this equation, and you'll know the b value. The b value. Once you've got all of that, you've got an equation for this periodic function.